Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do a waxing tutorial. I don't know about y'all, but I haven't been able to get my brows or my stash done, and I'm like, I can't take this anymore. I bought myself a waxing kit off of Amazon, and you know, we're gonna see if it works. Is it really worth the $50 I paid? We shall see. This is the box that the waxing kit came in. Once again, I bought this off of Amazon for 50 bucks. It comes with a wax warmer, pre-waxing spray, after waxing spray, 14 ounces of hard wax beads, 20 applicator sticks, and the user's manual. So the way this works is obviously you have to throw in your little beads. Oh fuck, this shit's hot. What the fuck? So the waxing wax obviously melts, and you know, I put it up to 240 degrees, but now I have it at about 160. It's pretty easy to use, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I was a little confused at first, but you know, I'm get confused about every little fucking thing. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see my hairy brows, my fucking stash. This shit pokes. Feel bad for my boyfriend. First, we're gonna be working on the mustache, and I'm gonna be dabbing the pre-waxing spray onto the mustache. So I'm just gonna grab some wax onto the spoolie and put it over my mustache. Hopefully it don't burn. Let it chill there for a second till the wax gets hard, and once the wax gets hard, we start peeling it off. Sweet baby Jesus. Wow, we got one hair. Fucking hairy ass bitch. No, some fucking stubborn ass hairs. You know what? We're gonna try our brows now. One, two, three. There's some cheap ass wax. Let me try putting some more of this spray, but this time I'm gonna put it over my eyebrows and around the eyebrow area to see if maybe I could figure something out. I don't know. So we're just gonna blow. Let it rest for a bit. Ooh, get on my face. 1, 2, 3. Fuck. What the fuck? 1, 2. Why is it stuck? It worked a little bit, so I mean, it's not that bad for the brows. I could clean it up with my tweezers. I don't mind using tweezers. These fucking tweezers suck. Honestly, I'm starting to think this was not worth the $50. Oops. My fucking brow is gone. I mean, ew. Don't do this. Don't buy this kit. Don't ruin your brows. So right now we're actually gonna try to wax the nose hairs. Okay, so this is the one for the nose. Okay, so we're just gonna let it get a little hard. So 1, 2, 3. Hello, help. Ow, ow.
You need to professional sticks, bitch, not a Q-tip.
Ow. Ow. So I don't think that works. Just gonna let it chill here for a bit. Make it look like a little snot.
Did it work?
we're gonna try this again. But this time we're gonna use the sticks, and I'm just gonna reuse the ones I already had. Maybe this might work. Not with the fucking Q-tip. I don't understand how the Q-tip didn't work. Okay. Oh, it worked! So my final thoughts on this product is that I would not recommend it only because of the beads. If they sold the pot itself, then I would say go ahead and get it, but I don't think they do. Personally, I didn't like the beads, and I think you can get higher quality beads from a different website. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that beautiful red button. You know, let me know if I'm entertaining. All my social media will be down below. And I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully in the next week.